Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with AMD advanced micro devices step by step clearly. Begin by researching the current AMD product lineup. Identify the specific AMD products that align with your scaling goals. Consider factors such as performance, power consumption, and pricing. Analyze the technical specifications of each product. Next, calculate your budget for scaling with AMD. Determine the required resources, including hardware, software, and support materials. Prepare your existing system for integration with new AMD components. Ensure compatibility with your current setup, including motherboard and power supply. Install the necessary drivers for your AMD hardware. Test the installation to confirm that all components are functioning properly. Monitor system performance using benchmarking tools. Compare the results with your previous setup to gauge improvements. Adjust configurations as needed to optimize performance. Consider utilizing AMD's software tools for further enhancements. Stay updated with AMD's latest innovations and updates. Join online communities or forums to share experiences and seek advice. Evaluate long-term scalability options based on your performance needs. Plan for future upgrades by researching upcoming AMD releases. Document your scaling process for reference and troubleshooting. Continuously assess your system performance against your scaling objectives. Make informed decisions based on real-time data and community feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.